Kysoc has been such an important part of Carroll County for over 60 years that we could not let this place disappear and be taken out of our hands. We've had people from all over the United States come and help us. They wanted to be here. They were happy to be here. When we started on this area, it was completely and utterly one giant weed garden. So my mom and Ed J and Carolyn were instrumental in going in here, finding out where the perennials were, and then bringing perennials in. So we're pretty proud of it. So during the cleanup day, I looked up and there were people all over the roof. You know, they're just an amazing group of volunteers. This is called the fishing bridge, and it is fully accessible for all of our handicapped friends. They can fish on either side, and that's why it was originally built about 60 years ago, and it looked like it was ready to fall in. But underneath this bridge, it is solid steel, and this bridge is going nowhere, and it's just a wonderful addition to our wonderful camp. We don't want it just to be for people in Carroll County. We want it to be for people from everywhere. So we want to make it a place that all people can use throughout the entire year.
To each and every one of you who has rolled up your sleeves to make this project possible, thank you so much. We are going to announce the winner at the Kentucky State Fair. The Lieutenant Governor and I will then come to the winning location and have a barbecue lunch in celebration with everybody that helped to make the winning selection possible. To every one of you who has done what you've done to beautify the Bluegrass across the entire Commonwealth, thank you. Together, we are Kentucky.